back and I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm chilling.
Hey guys, what's up? What's poppin'? It's me, Shauna, back up in this joint with another video. Yup, and today I'm doing a hair video, and I'm just showing you how to do like the simple braided hairstyle, simple 2-braid hairstyles. Because it's a style that I like rocking sometimes, especially when, you know, it's around that time when my hair needs to be washed, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so when you don't really know what to do with your hair, or it's dirty, so you don't want to wear it all down, but you ain't ready to wash it yet, you know, you can just like do this. I mean, it doesn't have to be dirty. I mean, you can just do this style. You just don't know what to do with your hair and you just want to have something cute, so. And I like that this style works good with straight hair or curly hair or any hair type. So right now my hair is flat iron. I mean, it's a little bit loosely waved because I had it braided. And I have worn this hairstyle while my hair is natural and curly. You may have seen my hair like that in maybe a few of my other videos. I have worn my hair like this while curly, so yeah. But right now my hair is straightened, so yeah, this is just a hairstyle I like to wear. I do it, I drew some beads on it, and it's cool because you can wear the braids down, and then you can put like beads more like at the ends if you want to. And that's cute. Or you can leave it tucked behind your ears like a headband. You can wear it down, you can put it up in a ponytail and leave the braids down, or put the braids up in the ponytail. And you know, there's just like so much you could do with it, and just kind of just makes it easier to like style your hair, and it kind of just makes it quicker to do your hair. Like say if you was able to keep the braids in for like a few days or something, so then like the next day it just makes it easier to just quickly do your hair, because you don't gotta really worry too much about how the front of your hair is because it's already done. Anyway, let's get into the video. Okay, so this is my hair, and it's a bit wavy because I had it in a couple of braids. Usually when I go to bed I braid it in a couple of braids to keep it protected, and plus I kind of like loose waves in it. A lot of the times when I have my hair straight I still like some waves. Anyways, and my hair is dirty right now, so don't mind if you see like flakes and yeah, it needs to be washed. But that's kind of like why I like rocking the style, because it just comes in handy when it's around that time when you get washed. But if you have the front braided up somehow, then it, I don't know, it's not too bad with just the back out. So I'm gonna start with, what am I starting with? So I'm gonna start with parting my hair off into the sections where I'm gonna do the braids. So I'm gonna have my part to a side, because I think I'm gonna leave the part basically like right here. Right. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the part like right there, and then I'm just gonna part down that way. So that's probably about good. So that's this section, and then you gotta do it on this side. I'm just gonna put the back in a ponytail for now to keep that out of the way. So since my hair is like straight, and I don't really like to put like actual gel like throughout my hair, because it might revert, and I don't want it to be like, I don't know, I don't want gel through it, because I'm not gonna like end up wetting my hair when it's straight. But if it was curly, I'd probably put like a little bit of gel through it and stuff. It's already pretty moisturized, but the only thing I'm gonna put in it really is, it's Murray's Dressing Pomade. So yeah, if you've seen this pomade, yeah, it's just a pomade that has no water in it. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of that to help lay down the edges, just basically to lay the hair down so it looks a little bit neater when I braid it. So I'm gonna use gel. I'm probably gonna use a little bit of gel like on the baby hairs, but when I'm like trying to get like the hair to lay down for the braid, I'm just gonna use the pomade. Like, it's not really a gel, but it's just gonna help it still lay down. So now the we got the pomade up in that joint. We're pretty much ready to start braiding. So yeah, I mean, if you don't know how to cornrow, you might have to look at a tutorial on how to actual cornrow. So, but that part I can't really explain it, but and even I might have a difficult time. I'm not even really the best at cornrowing my hair, so sometimes my braids come out looking a little bit messy. And I don't know, since I have these nails on, it may come out even messier. So that's that side. Doesn't look too bad, but you know. And sometimes I don't mind if it's a little bit messy, but you know, it's all on your preference and whatnot. So I'm going to do this side. Alright, so these are my two braids. I think they're pretty decent enough. And now just take the back down. So now I'm just going to like lay down the edges a little bit more. I'm going to use a little bit more of the pomade up here where the hair is at. I mean where the braid is at on that hair that's going into the braid. I mean, if I can get that to lay down a little bit more, because it might be a slight frizzy. And do some baby hairs. And I'm just going to use a bit of this argan oil styler gel. So that's what I'm just going to use to lay down the baby hairs. To lay down the very, very edges, the baby hairs. And then it's like you can either just leave the braids hanging like this, or you can tuck them behind your ears. So it's like, you know, almost more like a headband. Now I'm going to put like a few of these beads on mine. So I just put a few silver and gold beads on both sides. So I just have them more up here because the ones that I have fit better up there. They might slide down, but I mean you can put something on the ends. Or if you just have like smaller beads. These are those little like cuff beads they cuffed around the hair. But I don't want to make them too tight because then they might break, but I don't know, maybe if you have smaller ones, even smaller ones, or like put something on the ends so they don't fall off, whatever, then you can like, you know, leave the hair hanging. But I just put them up here. But you can still wear the braids down or up like that. I think either way looks cool. And then the braids look cool with your hair in a ponytail, and then you can leave the braids down, or you can put the braids up too. I mean, it's just so versatile, you know what I'm saying? Especially when, you know, your hair is just looking crazy and you don't know what to do with your hair. So, you know, you gotta, you know, do some type of style that, you know, rock it. Like, hey, you can even do like a half up, half down style with these braids. Put the top in a bun and then rock it like that, you know what I'm saying? Alright, yeah, so this is the completed look, and yeah, so I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know if you want me to do some other videos with like braided hairstyles, because there's a few other cute hairstyles that I like to do too that involves braids, you know, around the front of your head and stuff like that. So maybe I'll do some more. And you know, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, click that bell for the notifications, and yeah, I'll be back with another video. And yeah, that's it. Bye. Peace.
Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. With the ruler, diamond cooler.